Making money online has become increasingly popular in recent years. The internet offers numerous opportunities for individuals to earn income from the comfort of their homes. Whether you're looking to supplement your existing income or replace your full-time job, there are plenty of ways to make money online. In this video, we'll explore various methods and provide tips on how to get started. Freelancing is one of the most accessible ways to make money online. It involves offering your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Common freelance jobs include writing, graphic design, web development, and digital marketing. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. To succeed, create a strong portfolio, set competitive rates, and deliver high-quality work on time. Blogging can be a lucrative way to earn money online if you have a passion for writing in a specific niche. By creating valuable content and attracting a loyal audience, you can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Building a successful blog takes time and dedication, so be prepared to invest effort into producing regular, high-quality content and promoting your site. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You can join affiliate programs through networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate. To be successful, choose products that align with your niche. Create engaging content that encourages clicks, and build a strong online presence through SEO and social media marketing. If you have expertise in a particular subject, creating and selling online courses or ebooks can be a profitable venture. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to publish and distribute your content. Ensure your material is well-researched, engaging, and provides real value to your audience. Marketing your course or ebook effectively is key to attracting buyers. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products without holding inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. This eliminates the need for upfront investment in stock. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo help you set up a dropshipping store. Success in dropshipping requires choosing profitable products, effective marketing, and excellent customer service. If you enjoy photography, selling your photos online can be a great way to earn passive income. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow photographers to upload and sell their images to a global audience. To maximize earnings, focus on high-demand subjects, maintain high quality, and consistently upload new content. Creating content on YouTube can be highly profitable if you build a large following. Monetization options include ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Choose a niche you're passionate about. Produce high-quality videos consistently and engage with your audience. Utilizing SEO techniques and social media promotion can help grow your channel. Virtual assistants, VAs, provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs remotely. Tasks can include email management, scheduling, social media management, and more. Websites like Remote.co and Zirtual connect VAs with clients. To succeed, develop strong organizational skills, be reliable, and communicate effectively. Print on Demand, POD, allows you to design and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the item is printed and shipped by a third-party provider. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble make it easy to start a pod business. Focus on creating unique designs and marketing your products effectively. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a rewarding way to make money. Websites like VIP Kid, Tutor.com, and Chegg Tutors connect tutors with students around the world. To be successful, be patient, communicate clearly, and tailor your teaching methods to each student's needs. If you're crafty, selling handmade goods online can be a profitable venture. Platforms like Etsy and Handmade at Amazon allow artisans to reach a global audience. Focus on creating high-quality, unique products and invest time in photographing and describing your items accurately. Good customer service and effective marketing are crucial for success. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrency can provide significant returns if done wisely. Platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, and Coinbase allow users to trade stocks and digital currencies. It's important to research thoroughly, understand the risks, and develop a diversified investment strategy. Making money online offers endless opportunities for those willing to put in the effort and time. Whether you choose freelancing, blogging, affiliate marketing, or any other method, success requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn. Start exploring these options today and take the first step towards achieving your financial goals online. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to get our latest videos.